Hi there, today I'm going to review the Danby mini fridge, and what I like about this is, first of all, it looks awesome. I love the stainless steel around it, the tempered glass. I especially like that I can see what's in there, so I know if I need to refill anything. And as you can see, that I've got this in a cabinet, but you can also do standalone, so it sits on the floor. The other thing I really like about this is it's got a reversible door in it. So I've got it set now that it opens from the left. I especially like that the handle is inside the door, so I can put it in a cabinet and it'll be flush against this and not take up extra space. If you do want it to open the other way, all you have to do is you can change the little hinges here and put them on the other side, and then the door will open from the right. Another feature I really like about this is it does have a lock on it. So if you've got it in a place that you need to secure it, or say your kid has it at the college dorm and they want to keep their stuff in it without all their buddies eating all of their food, then they can do that as well. So as you can see, I've got water in here. I've got this in a recreation area, so I've got some towels, but mostly water. It will hold 177 cans, and it's got a lot of space in this, as you can see. It does have two adjustable racks. These are sturdy wire racks that can be moved. As you can see, there's several different slots in here. So as far as a mini fridge, this is a great option. Like I said, it'll go in a rec room, in the basement, in a dorm room. It's small enough that it'll fit just about anywhere. It looks awesome and highly functional, so I highly recommend this.